What's up YouTube, it's Eric Kelly aka the Tech Gentleman, bringing you guys another video. Today we've got a video that I'm excited to do about a phone that I'm excited to get. Haven't been many of these this year. Just sold my S10 Plus. If you've been looking at my social media, looking at my YouTube, did a stream here lately just kind of discussing the S10 Plus and its shortcomings for me personally. Still a great phone, but the total package isn't doing it for me anymore. It's not enough for me to sacrifice on missing out on cutting edge technology that other manufacturers are putting into the devices. So you can tell we got the OnePlus 7 Pro here on deck. Super excited to get this phone. Just going around the box here, very simplistic, keeping in line with OnePlus's past design language. As you can see here, I have the Nebula Blue 8GB 256 gig version. Not quite the Big Daddy, but big enough. All right, that's big enough for me. So go ahead and unbox this guy. And I'm excited. I've seen the T-Mobile variant, that gray color. For gray, it looks good, but just as far as the color goes, it's not really overwhelming or impressive. So I'm really excited to see what this blue looks like. Been hearing a lot of things about it, seen it in videos. It looks really good. Slide the sleeve off here. Take a look at that. A global tech movement where everyone can play a fundamental role in creating and sharing the best tech in the world. The best place to learn about your device, meet new friends, and other exclusive contests. Join us through the community app on your new phone. That's what's up. I'm already a part of the community. I don't contribute much, but it is something nice to have. So we got the OnePlus 7 Pro box here with a nice little embossed, little bit of a shimmery 7 Pro there. And let's go ahead and slide this guy out. I'm excited, guys. I didn't speed home at all for this. I didn't take off earlier from work or nothing like that. I just drove calmly, did the speed limit. You know, those people in the chat, the OnePlus, not the OnePlus, but the Team 100 community, they know exactly how I went home once I got that delivery notice. So we got a little pamphlet here. Oh no, we got, step it up. Welcome. Nothing makes you feel more welcome than the invitation letter and a free case, clear case at that, to show off that beautiful blue color. And here, got a little pouch, OnePlus 7 swag. So we got a SIM ejection tool. Definitely gonna need that. Never settle on the back. Got our little books and stuff. You know how y'all feel about those. Invitation letter on the back here. Go ahead and open this up. All right, says, friend, let me be the first to welcome you to the OnePlus community. Like you, we are driven by a passion for technology. What sets our tech apart is that we imagine, build, and polish it hand in hand with you. And I'll let you read, pause and read the rest of that. I'm too excited, man. I'll read it later. How about that? Now, start the show, never settle. I don't feel like I'm settling right now. I feel like I'm stepping my game up. I got a glimpse of it, y'all. I got a glimpse of that back when I flipped it over. Woo! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So is there any kind of protector on the back? No, that's the actual back. It is super slippery. Super slippery. I hate they got the sticker right there. Hold on. All right, so at least shout out to OnePlus. They had the sticker on there, but it didn't leave any residue. Peeled off clean. If you're gonna do that, I guess that's the way to do it. Guys, this is, go ahead, power this guy on. So first off, this feels like a phone. I feel like a phone. All right, I don't feel like nothing, none of these other things floating around out here that's making phone calls and sending text messages, sharing all your data with the Russians. This ain't just doing that on a regular level. This is some hardware right here. Camera in the back, look at that. This isn't a thumbnail at all right here. So we got a triple camera setup on the back. We got a main sensor that's 48 megapixels. We have a telephoto sensor that is 8 megapixels and a wide angle that is 16, I believe. Hi there, hey, what's up? Screen to screen, no compromise. No notch, no hole, no dimple, no nipple, none of that. Straight screen on the front. Big, beautiful screen, 90 hertz AMOLED. Finally, 1440p. They stepped it up and stepped it up right. Give me a second, we're gonna go around the outside of this. So we got the patented alert slider, 3-stage, feels good. Up top, we have our, basically got nothing up here but a mic and a little cutout right there, as you can tell, or maybe you can't tell. That's gonna be where the pop-up camera comes up at. If you hadn't heard about the OnePlus 7 Pro, that's one of the big things about it. That's how it gets that full display on the front, is no compromise on the camera. On the left-hand side, get some good light here. Okay, yeah, on the left-hand side here, got our volume up and down rocker. You got a couple of antenna bands, nothing major. And also on the bottom, have our SIM ejection or SIM tray. Got our Type-C port, mic, and speaker. And this actually does have stereo speakers, so you can sound from the bottom and from the earpiece. Up top, up there, a little thin sliver, not much room for it, but it is up there. And so back to the phone here. Give me a second, I'm gonna set it up and we're just gonna take a look at what it feels like to drop into the phone for the first time. All right guys, so we're back in and just set the phone up. OnePlus, man. I've been missing the OnePlus ever since the 6T last year. And you know, that reminded me why this hardware, even the haptic feedback feels great. The screen, I'm filming this video at 60 hertz, but it feels, I mean, you can't see the smoothness of this. It's already quick. That's kind of something I miss with OnePlus devices, but their 90 hertz screen, this is gonna be fun. I mean, I'm going to enjoy this. And guys, I was so excited, I didn't even finish taking the stuff out the box, yo. So we have the patented red Type-C cable from OnePlus. Definitely gonna be using that. Normally I try to save accessories because I know I'm gonna be flipping the device real quick, but I feel like this one might stick around for a while. So the patented red OnePlus cable, high quality. And we have our Warp brick. They're bringing back the brick, man. But the speeds on this is supposed to be crazy for charging. It's supposed to be able to get you from 0 to 50% in around 25-30 minutes. And I've been hearing other testimonials to prove it. I believe it. And I think that's everything in the box. But I mean, that's enough. You know, you got a dope phone, you got a case. Let me go ahead and take one more look at this blue right quick before I throw this case on here. Yes. That's what's up, man. I've yet to see a blue one in person. So as far as I know, I'm the only person that's got it in my city. And I'm fine with that. So you got a nice case showing off the blue. Take this little sticker off. Yeah, that's what's up. Double tap to wake, the speed. Oh my God. Fingerprint sensor. I've been using the S10 Plus for the past like 2 months. The fingerprint sensor is garbage, trash, straight manure. This reminds me of the fingerprint sensor from the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Once you got it set up correctly, the haptics. The haptics, man. Double tapping, that little bump you get, that's hot. Okay, I'm loving it. All right, guys, it's been an unboxing. I'm definitely gonna have more videos. I got cases and all kind of stuff coming. I got a white stone dome coming. We're gonna go all in on the OnePlus. If you got any questions, comments, leave them down below. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like this video. If you hadn't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And if you hadn't, if you got some questions, let me know, man. I'll get back to you. But until next time, this is Eric Kelly, aka the Tech Gentleman. Talk to you next time. Peace.